台湾快筛试剂供不应求，就有民众呢，他们在公司是接触到了确诊者，公司要求他们每天都需要做快筛，但他自己跑遍了超商和药局都买不到，所以求助在香港的家人。
这里大概有50包存量的快筛，然后我就挑其中20个，然后寄给你了。
Not only are rapid tests difficult to acquire, the high prices of rapid tests in Taiwan have also left many scratching their heads. According to Ms. Lei, the 40 or so rapid test kits on her desk are all provided to her by the company she works for in Hong Kong, which is why she had extras to send back to her husband in Taiwan. Besides that, the Hong Kong government also provided epidemic prevention kits to citizens, where 20 rapid test kits and 20 KN95 face masks are included.
上門去派發，逐一去敲門，去派發俾香港市民。完咗之後咧，亦都可以唔夠用咧，亦都可以去返當地嘅社區嚇，社區亦都有啲派發站嘅，係免費可以索取嘅。而家賣嘅大概係20蚊樓下就可以買得到啦。
Starting on April 19th, the Hong Kong government also provided elders 60 and above free rapid test kits. Every elderly person can receive up to 5 test kits at a time. Just a quick walk to a local pharmacy in Hong Kong can help you find piles of rapid test kits priced between 49 NT dollars to 240 NT dollars. Compared to Taiwan's 300 NT dollars per kit, the Hong Kong government is providing protection against the virus at a more accessible fee. With COVID cases continuing to surge in Taiwan, the government needs to update new policies to ensure the safety of the people. TVBS English News.